Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright, in this video, I want to be talking about binary option. I've had a whole lot of my students telling me to do a video on binary option, explain what binary option means. So, binary option to me is the same thing, it's just like a HFX. What is HFX? High frequency trading. Alright, you trade in minutes. So, binary option is you trade in minutes. Some broker will give you the opportunity to increase the minutes to like any minutes you want, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. So the thing is, at the duration of that minute, that is if let's say for instance you buy and you set it in a 1 minute time frame. So it will start count, it will count down, it start its countdown from 50, 59, 58, 57. So let's say for instance you buy, so the candlestick must be above where you bought from till that 1 minute end before you will be in profit. Do you understand? So if you check this platform right now, this is ExpertOption. So ExpertOption is one of the broker I recommend if you want to trade on binary option. There are different broker like IQ option and the rest, but ExpertOption is a broker that I recommend. Now, if you see, there's a yellow box on this chart. As you can see, the beginning of the yellow box and the end of the yellow box is in 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, guys. So if you check the end of the yellow box, you will notice that the yellow is more thicker. That to show you that is the finish line. All right. So it doesn't mean I must have to wait for it to touch that yellow box before I start my trade. No. So the thing is, I can enter a trade now. Let's say if you check below, this is I'm entering this trade with $50. So you can as well reduce it to any amount you want. Let me put it to $5. All right, and if you check, you see at the sell 80%, buy 80%. So it's your profit and your loss is fixed. It's not like normal forex trading whereby your loss can just blow your accounts. So your profit and your loss is fixed. All right. So, and if you are this kind of a person that still don't understand MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, maybe it's looking too technical for you, take profit, stop loss, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop limit, sell stop limit, moving SL to break even. If all those things are looking so technical to you until now, you don't understand, which if you are part of my, if you are in my in my tutorial, if you're my student, I don't think it will be a problem for you. But if you are that kind of a person that still you still don't understand, you can come trade on binary option. Do you understand? It's easy. Now the difference is what I just told you. You are trading in minutes. Number two, you can't add take profit or stop loss. So you don't have to be doing all those stress. You can't do buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. You're trading in just minutes. All right, and your profits and your loss is fixed. Now if you check, like I said earlier, this yellow box, so I want to, let me sell. As you can see, I sold. I'll just enter a sell right now. If you can see the label, $5. So now the trade hasn't started yet. So but once it touches that first yellow line, just watch, bam, countdown don't start. The countdown has started. So now look at the candlestick is above where I sold from. So if the countdown ends and the candlestick remains above where I sold from, I will lose. So I'll be losing my $5. So it is quite do you understand? It is, you know what you are losing and you know what you are earning. And I think you can start trading with at as little as $1. So and once you're making your profit, you're making 80% profit. So what is the 80% of $1? That should be 80 cents. So that's what you are making. So as it is now, as it's going like this now, we are actually on track. Oh, we are no longer on track. So but as it is until it ends, look at the countdown. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Your prayer now should be this thing should calm down and 2, 1, bam, we have made profit. As you can see, look at the profit we made, $9 with a $5 investment. All right, with a $5, it's not, it's you do not make $4 to now make it $9. You can see earning, you made $9. So that is the 80% of the investment you invested. If you invested $5, the 80% of $5 is $9. 100% of $5 is $10. Do you understand? So that is it. That is how simple and easy binary option is. You're trading with time. Do you understand? So, and your profit and your loss is fixed. So simple and short. It's not like the normal forex trading whereby you can enter one trade with $100 account and that trade can blow your account off. No, that's not how it is in binary option. It's more easier. Do you understand? It's more easier to understand. And there is nothing like stop loss. There's nothing like take profits. So everything can be done in a orderly fashion. All right. Now, this is a Bitcoin chart. If you tap here, you will see different. Don't think, oh, binary option is only cryptocurrency. No, you can trade. Look, as you can see, I want to believe you'll be conversant with this if you are already a forex trader. USD, JPY, EUR/USD. These are currency pairs. But as you can see, it's showing inactive. Why is it showing inactive? Because today is Sunday, and I'm doing this video on a Sunday, and you all know that currency pairs are always open from 5 business working days, from Monday to Friday. So it is quite the same, but just that there are a little difference, which I've explained, which is you are trading with time. Timing counts down. Number 1, you can't add take profit, you can't add stop loss. Number 2, your profit and your loss is fixed. Number 3, do you understand? So another thing again is you can add don't think you can't add indicators. You can add indicators. In my previous video, I talked about RSI. I've already done a video about ExpertOption, how to understand the ExpertOption. I talked about the RSI. So this is how you can add it. So if you check here, look at the instrument. This first one is graphs type. So you can use bars, candles, line. Let me put candles. Most of you will be conversant with candles. Look at. I want to believe, see, you are conversant. These are candles, but I don't like using candles when trading on binary option or expert option. Let me just use the word expert option. So I prefer the normal area. Confirm. This looks more easier for me. So the other on the list is, let's tap it and see, indicators. So let's add the RSI. Like you all know, RSI is my best indicator. Leave the period as 14. Move the overbought to 90. And move the oversold to 20. RSI is one of the best indicators, the easiest indicator to use. So just click confirm. As you can see, this is our RSI here below. And you all know I've taught you RSI before. Once it's oversold, that is when this, if you check the RSI part, you see the RSI candle, its own candlestick as it's moving. So if it is below 20, meaning it has oversold, then you should be looking at buying. If it's above 90, meaning it has overbought, so you should be looking at selling. So this will actually help you understand how to trade on binary option, when to enter and when not to enter. Do you understand? Yes, this looks like gambling, but normally when you are using your indicators, now your indicators will give you at least 70 or 80% let's say assurance. Do you understand? So right now the candles is at 20. Now let's buy. Let's see whether this RSI will work for us or not. So I just bought right now. So we are going to watch whether the RSI will work for us or not. Mind you, indicators are not 100% accurate. Indicators are not 100% accurate, but they are 70-80% accurate. So let's see whether this RSI will work for us or not in this video. So while the trade is going, see the countdown has begun. The next thing on this list is, if you check, let's click it, is lines. You can add lines, horizontal line, vertical line. Let me touch the horizontal line. Let me click confirm. You can see this is the horizontal line here. You can move it. You can move it. All right. So if you are, I think you can also do some analysis here with this line and everything. So yeah, I don't think you don't need it. Just click added and click remove. It has removed. So let's see if this RSI will actually work for us. It is not working yet. It is not working yet. Oh, it is working. Let's see. Let's see. It is still playing below that 20. Wow. Probably will enter to early 1-0. So as you can see, we just lost $5. So, but one beautiful thing about expert option is you know what you are losing. It's not like normal forex trading whereby you don't know what you are losing, my brother. Once you enter, you can lose all. So this is quite different. All right, this is quite different. So you can actually wait for the candlestick to play around before it gets to the beginning of the mark. Then you enter your trade. All right. So or you can even enter now. I will still buy again because this RSI is still below. I'm still seeing a big bullish move coming. So I have bought right now. So when you tap the right parts, as you can see, you would see all your trades, history of all your trades. Now look at that trade. As you can see, it has not yet started. So we can as well close this trade if we want to. We can close this trade if we want to, but let's not close it. Let's just allow it. Now, as it has locked like this with this 1 minute countdown, there's nothing you can do to this trade. You just have to wait for that 1 minute. So as you can see, the RSI is actually working for us now. We are in profit, but anything can happen. It can just come down. So you have to wait for that 1 minute. Okay, so now your profit is, you'll be making $9. You'll be making $9. That's 80%. That's 80%. So it's the same thing. As you can see, just look at itself. Look at the candle. It's showing you what you'll be making or what you'll be losing. So it's either you'll be losing $9 or you'll be making $9. So it's direct. It's direct. 80% win or 80% lose. So you are entering with $5. So you can either lose $9 or earn $9. So let's see 1-0. We've lost again. 0 earning. We've lost again. All right. So this is. I'm even happy that in this tutorial it is losing, so that it will not be sweet in your ear. Winning. You go and enter now. You lose everything. So it's better, as you can see, that everything is working. You are seeing it. So this is how you can as well lose your money, and this is how you can as well make your profit. But the beautiful thing is it is direct. And one reason why I love it is because you know what you are losing. It is well calculated for you. You know what you are losing and you know what you are earning. It can't go beyond that. It cannot go beyond that. So we can as well change currencies if you want to. So what else? Okay, now as you can see, one thing that makes expert option better is because it is showing you people who are trading real time, both real time and both demo. So you can, from this look, you can as well know what people are actually doing. So if you don't want to be seeing all these people, just tap this. As you can see, this the last icon here with the plus sign on top. Just tap it now. You are the only one in the market. As you can see, you are the only one in the market. But I love seeing other people. So once you tap it back, you start seeing other people. It is as simple as that. Nothing else. Depositing is fast. Withdrawal is instant. All right. So this is the basic information about binary option and also HFX. So these are what is the meaning of HFX? HFX means high frequency trading. Do you understand? High frequency trading. That's just what binary also means. This is binary also. It's classify HFX as binary also. So now this app I'm using is called ExpertOption. Now I'll be placing the link of this app in the description of this video. So please do make sure you register on ExpertOption using that link, because when you do that, there's a commission that comes to us when you do that. So that it's a way of you saying thank you for the hard work we put into making videos like this. All right. So guys, if you ask me which do I prefer trading Forex, because I have the opportunity to do my analysis, to analyze well. Do you understand? But with this, it's quite, for me, I don't enjoy it, but a whole lot of people enjoy it. And let me not lie to you, a whole lot of people are making a whole lot of money with this expert option or with this binary trading. But me personally, SpiritFX, I don't really trade binary. So I'm just doing this video for tutorial purpose. So those who wish to trade on binary option, no problem. But for me, I don't trade on binary option. I think I've just done it once. So and I left it. I decided to go straight into Forex trading because it gives me the opportunity to learn a lot, to understand fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and so on and so forth. But this doesn't give me the opportunity to do that. All right. So that's it. On normal Forex trading, you can set your stop loss, take profit. If you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or any broker, you can set your stop loss. You can set your take profit. You can hold on on a trade for like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 days. All depends on you. Do you understand? So that's why Forex, for me, I prefer Forex. But this is for those who don't really want to, they don't have strength for too much wahala. Take profit, stop loss, apply proper risk management, all those kind of words now we use in Forex trading, lot size, pips, calculating how many pips. If you are that kind of a person, then this is what you need. Do you understand? And again, why this is better for me is because your profit and your loss is just there, it's static. You know what you are losing and you know what you are earning. If I will want to go into binary option trading, this, because of this alone, this is what will draw me into going into binary option, because my profit and my loss is static. I know what I'm losing, I know what I'm earning. But with Forex trading, it's a lie. It's a lie. You can lose all. See, now we traded 2 trades and we lost I think $9 on those trades. Okay, now if it's some other Forex trading, it can, that alone, you can blow your account with just that. So that's just it. So there's nothing more. This is expert option. Very easy to understand. Once you tap here, click your real account, log in, you deposit. They have different options for depositing, and you can try it out. But before you try it out, I would advise you to play on the demo first and use indicators. If you're not the type of person that love using RSI, you can use other indicators. There's the alligator, there's the Bollinger Bands, moving average, parabolic SIR, MACD. Most of you are conversant with MACD. So it just depends on you. So you can try it out. Don't forget to click the link in the description of this video to register. All right. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any question, just drop it and I will do a video on it. Thank you.